with this idea, do you think?
My mother sews clothes, and for Dana, my sister.
And did they ever make toys?
No, but she made all dresses and all for Dana.
And who's Dana?
My sister.
And did you make the teddies for her?
Yeah.
Are you proud of the fact that this was your idea?
Yeah. This is my idea, and I'm happy because everyone made teddies.
During the midterm holidays were absolutely invaluable here in Kilrush. We had 55 families who availed of arts and crafts packs which we delivered to the houses. Most of our families are extremely disadvantaged and don't have access to the internet. They may have a mobile phone which the mother may be using, so they don't have access to the computers. So really doing anything online through Zoom was a no-no. So a physical art, paints, markers, craft kits was just superb. And thank you, Monica, and your team for delivering. We did large families, 5, 6, 55 families. Some of them might have just had individual children, and all were so grateful because the weather was terrible that week, so they couldn't let them out to play. So thank you again to the LCYP.